Some big news coming from the Instagram world. The swipe up feature that we've all come to know and love, and some of us have come to hate it because we can't use it for our own marketing needs. Well, it's actually going away. So say goodbye to the swipe up feature. I found this article, actually I got it through a Gary Vee newsletter, and Instagram is getting rid of the swipe up feature. So it says they're retiring the swipe up feature, so they're going to retire it starting August 30th, and it's been confirmed by Instagram. So no longer are you going to have the links when you swipe up. You can go to external websites, and it's retiring it to streamline the story's creation experience, offer more creative control. So it's not going to be gone, meaning there's always a replacement with these technologies. Whenever somebody takes something away, it always gets replaced. Just like retargeting, there's the big iOS 14 change, and even I've been like, oh man, retargeting and remarketing saves you so much money. But, that going away, like that's not good, right? It's going to come back, and it's still there, and it's going to be back, and it's probably going to be better and more effective anyway. So, technology evolves, and that's just a part of the world we live in today, and it's fast too. So it's getting rid of that, and it's going to replace it with stickers. So little stickers you can put on the stories, you'll be able to link out to external websites. And what's cool about this is they're actually rolling it out to people that don't have 10,000 followers. That used to be, really tough to get to. It's still really tough to get to, unless you buy a bunch of fake followers or something. Like, getting 10,000 followers is a huge achievement. That means you've amassed a big audience. And if you do it organically or with ads, that's a lot of ad spend or a lot of posting, or you went viral. You've done something sensational to get a lot of people. Even back when they allowed Instagram bots, I remember how long it took me to get to, I think it was 9,000 followers. So I was right on the cusp of that, right before they shut that stuff down. So this is definitely a big deal. So right now they're saying, at the moment, they're rolling it out to people that have that ability, like to post links with the swipe up. They're rolling out the stickers to them, but they're also rolling it out to people that don't, which is going to be cool. So they're going to still evaluate that, which is really neat. So if they decide that that's a thing, that pressure to get to 10,000 followers is gone. So now that becomes interesting, because what you can do is you can build up an audience of Instagram followers that maybe isn't massive, but you can drive people to your stories from groups, or even if you have a small audience, 500 people, 200 people, 100 people, that's still a lot. You can still sell a lot. You can still market yourself quite a lot. So you can direct them to affiliate links, to lead generation, to sales pages, to videos, to experiences, whatever you want to do. And that's really neat for somebody who's a newer marketer. I definitely, on day one, I would have thought, oh, wow, that's, really cool. So I would keep your eyes on that one. It's definitely going to be cool. And, stickers are a little more exciting, a little more native to the platform. It doesn't really interrupt things as much. They say the key difference between the two features, apart from the gesture difference, is viewers can respond to stories that have a link sticker, but cannot respond to swipe-up stories. So that's going to allow some more interaction. It's going to be more comfortable for users interacting. So I think this is going to be a really good thing. I think, there's a lot of changes going on with a lot of different things, from privacy to things like this. And I'm going to be making more videos on this stuff. I haven't made a video in a long time, just because I've been diving really deep into, all the new things coming out and trying to really understand what it all means. And you're going to be seeing a lot more videos from me about privacy regulations, about how to market in the future with those privacy regulations, and to actually succeed even if you have a really small budget. Not a budget of zero, but some form of budget. And you're going to be seeing a lot of updates like this. There's going to be a lot of new features that are more privacy-centric, or they are easier, for users to interact with an influencer or an account. And there's going to be a lot of features that are more native And it's not so much about going off of the app, but staying on the app, whether you're advertising or you're doing in-app marketing. For example, with Facebook, you used to be able to post and everybody would see everything on your page. Well, now, and it's been this way for a little bit, but groups is the way to go. You get people to join your group, you create this amazing community, and then you drive people to your email list or your SMS list. And now you can really extend that relationship and start monetizing it. So be on the lookout for more stuff. Let me know if you like this stickers feature and you think it's going to be cool. In the comments below, just say yes if you think it's going to be cool. No if you don't. Tell me why if you have a certain opinion on it. And look out for the next video because I'll be informing you guys on any new changes that are happening to any of the major platforms out there. So stay tuned for that. Peace out for now. If you like this video, hit that like button so more people can see it. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to make more money online and live a happier life. There's a video right after this one, so stay tuned for that. Peace out for now.